Following the launch of the new Bobst Digital Master Series, I'm at the Bobst Narrow and Mid-Web Competence Center in Florence. I'm going to talk with Andrea Pasquinelli about the key technology features and unique points of this new breakthrough technology from Bobst. Andrea, what is the Digital Master and how did you conceive it?
Let's start saying what Digital Master is not. It's not a hybrid press. So when you refer to hybrid, usually you have different parts from different suppliers put together. But we didn't simply put pieces together. We make sure that all these components were perfectly integrated into what we call an all-in-one solution. This is how we define it. And the Digital Master as a concept has always been in the DNA of this company, because since the beginning, our vision was to digitalize, to automatize the label production. And the Digital Master is the ultimate result of this digitalization process.
What makes the Digital Master unique?
Digital Master is unique because it's one platform. So you have digital printing, flexo printing, converting, embellishment, everything has been developed by Bobst and they've been integrated into one single platform. Digital Master is unique because it's a modular press. So the customer really can create his own ideal configuration according to his specific needs. And Digital Master is unique because it delivers the highest level of automation in all the analog process, in order to make sure that you have these real one platforms where analog and digital are perfectly integrated into one single platform.
To what extent does all this translate into a tangible benefit for customers?
Having one single platform brings them the benefit of having one single point of contact. So whatever they need on the press, they get in contact only with Bobst. Then, if you look into modularity, this gives them the possibility to upgrade the press anytime on site with whatever kind of technology they would like to introduce in the press to satisfy their evolving needs. And this makes this investment future-proof. And then, last but not least, the automation. We have talked about automation. This grants this perfect integration among the different components and also give the customer the possibility to have consistent quality job after job, regardless of the operator skills.
How does the Digital Master integrate into an existing converter's workflow? And which particular features does it add or enable?
Our DFE is powerful enough to drive the Digital Master by himself, but we know that converters have usually a different kind of prepress software. So we developed an open architecture to be able to connect with these different softwares, such as ESCO or hybrid software, and we can connect with this software using JDF or hot folders. For what concerns the features, we have to mention color management that is done in our DFE based on X-Rite color management and on Pantone validated libraries. And we have to mention the VDP builder tools that we have created, mainly to manage VDP printing that can be done on the Digital Master at full speed of 100 meters per minute using any file coming from any prepress software.
What can we expect in terms of future development for the Digital Master?
The future is more and more digital. This is not a secret. And Digital Master reflects actually this trend. And digitalization is part of our DNA. So in the future, we will for sure digitalizing as much as possible this concept and as much as possible all the components involved in this process. And it's not a secret that we are investigating digital embellishment. But before integrating this new feature into the press, we want to make sure to have the right solution to get really to a one platform and not an hybrid press.